2024 will be a defining year for many in the commercial vehicle service and maintenance industry. In our recent 2024 Outlook study, we present research and voice of customer findings that shape our expectations for the year. The study features our economic outlook, identifies market trends, and explains the technological advancements we expect in 2024. Readers will learn how to navigate economic fluctuations and get advice for improving uptime for fleets and reducing vehicle dwell time in shops. For a free download, visit nargon.com and future-proof your operations today.